Good afternoon, welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. Whereas we have been getting you all the live updates of the foreign delegation, the envoys were visiting the valley. But for now, it is not even being spared by the opposition politics that has especially been done by the Congress party. Moments after the official handle of the Jammu and Kashmir Congress posted a tweet targeting the Modi government of the visit of the foreign envoys to the valley, the Congress has now taken down the tweet. It has deleted it, which it had claimed earlier. The deleted tweet which had said earlier that it was a picnic of the foreign envoys there to the Kashmir Valley, and this is coming at a time when the European envoys are visiting the valley following a successful completion of the District Development Council elections. Going across to our reporters there on ground, Zeenat and also Gursimran joining us live. Well, Zeenat, let me come across to you first, because looking at the situation on ground there, it is important to note that whatever propaganda that is being floated. All right, I believe Gursimran can hear me now. Gursimran, whatever propaganda that is being floated, especially on part of the opposition and also across the borders, it is very important to clear the air. But when it comes to the opposition party, especially like the Congress party, it is now coming in and terming as this visit of the foreign envoys as picnic. If it is a picnic, then why has the Congress now deleted this tweet?
Well, let me tell you what exactly happened. Moments after the tweet was made by the official handle of the Jammu and Kashmir Congress, I tried to contact the Congress chief spokesperson Ravindra Sharma and the Congress chief Ghulam Ahmad Mir, and at first both were unaware of the fact that who did this tweet. Later on they said that yes, the tweet has been done and they know who did it, but the minutes after that, when I asked them to be on the camera regarding this, the tweet was removed by the Congress. So this shows that the Congress has got the sense of the heat they are going to face after this tweet, because this tour of the foreign envoys, this is just meant to clear the air and clear the fake propaganda that is being spread by the Pakistan. We have seen how Pakistan and its proxies are trying to give and make a narrative that the Jammu and Kashmir is under siege and the people are not happy. But now the envoys who are 22 envoys who are in Kashmir, and they will be in Jammu tomorrow, they are getting a sense of what exactly is happening in Jammu and Kashmir, and the Jammu and Kashmir is on its way to the development, on the path of the development. But this was not exactly what the Congress was getting. They tried to make an issue out of it. They tweeted it that let someone tell the Prime Minister that what does the internal matter means. But sensing the heat of what it could be, the repercussion of these tweets be, they have removed the tweet, and now no official spokesperson of Congress is responding to the repeated calls as well.
Well, Zeenat, if you can hear me now, if you can tell us on ground what is the situation there, because we've been following the diplomats who have come across to visit the valley. They will tomorrow also be in Jammu there, because this visit is held by the Ministry of External Affairs, including a group of ambassadors and senior diplomats, mainly from the European countries, visiting the Kashmir Valley and Jammu.
See, Amit, I'll tell you. See, these envoys landed here somewhere around 10:30 in the morning, and from there they headed straight away to the Magam, where they met the students' community along with the DDC chairman Nazir Khan of the Budgam. In fact, the face-to-face, one-to-one information was shared with them as far as the development projects in the Jammu and Kashmir, or the situation post after Article 370 was shared with them. Simultaneously, when we talk about the Congress making a tweet and targeting the government of India, targeting Prime Minister, we also see the way Pakistan have been propagating against India on international forums. We see the Congress, Jammu and Kashmir Congress, is towing the line of Pakistan. But at the same time, now when they have deleted their tweet, that means they were not even sure what they have tweeted, and that has already generated a lot of heat, because you cannot manage people on ground to give an information. This is not a closed door meet, it's an open meet where the 22 envoys are meeting people at the public platform, whether we talk about the schools or talk about the colleges. The people from the grassroots are meeting there, because they are those people only who have been elected by the people. They are the representatives of the people, because if you see, after abrogation of Article 370, the way situation turned here, things remained quite peaceful. The way the political pundits had predicted, we have seen quite normalcy. And then the elections that were conducted recently, there was for the strengthening of the democracy on ground, and not a single bullet was fired or there was no bloodshed. That is what the Home Minister Amit Shah also said on the floor of the House, that this has been one of the most peaceful elections. But at the same time, we have been seeing the Pakistan coming on the social media and creating a propaganda and an image that no, nothing in Kashmir, everything has been choked. When now the people are coming out and meeting the envoys of different countries, they are providing them all the kind of information. But also we are seeing not only the DDC or the BDC members, but the political leaders are meeting them. The people from the Srinagar Municipal Corporation that recently witnessed mayor elections after a very long time, they are meeting, they are providing all kind of information. This is simply to tell them what is happening on ground. Nothing is hidden. Everything is on ground, everything on platform. In fact, the way Pakistan has been pushing a terror, despite that India has been hitting very hard after the Pulwama, the Lalitpur attack, where 40 CR.
Of course, this is the third such visit that is conducted by India for foreign envoys and international community to assess the ground situation following the revocation of the region's special status that was revoked in 2019. But coming back to your Gursimran, because if we talk specifically about the Congress party, there was no condemnation that also came naming Pakistan by the former Congress party president Rahul Gandhi too, because he questioned rather the Modi government and saying that why actionable inputs were ignored. He did not mention Pakistan at all. And if you're looking at current situation there, they continue in the same line of attacks against the government, in fact calling this visit by the foreign envoys as a picnic.
Yes, indeed, and now the Congress is just trying to make an issue out of it. We have seen that time and again the Congress was a mute spectator when it comes to the speaking against the Pakistan. Even day before yesterday, when a major tragedy was averted by the security forces, not even a single tweet came by the Pakistan by the side of the Congress condemning the Pakistan's hand in it. They just went to be the mute spectator, and this is exactly what happening when the security forces foil the attempt of the Pakistan, or the Pakistan tries to do something nefarious in Jammu and Kashmir. But when it comes to the India being crystal clear about their plans in Kashmir, about the development projects in Kashmir, the Congress is questioning the government of India. But now they are also in a fix. They know that it could have repercussions on their vote banks as well, and that's why the tweet has been deleted. Even when we try to contact the senior leaders of the party, they were even aware of who did the tweet. So this also remains the question that actually who is taking the charge in the Congress, who is now making these kind of tweets, which is making Congress embarrassed at these kind of
it is bizarre if the Congress leaders there within the valley don't know exactly who tweeted it, then they're going to determine who tweeted this very controversial tweet calling the visit of the foreign envoys to the valley as a picnic there, later deleting the tweet but not taking responsibility, because we have tried very hard to reach out to those Congress leaders within the valley itself to explain the tweet which now has been deleted by the Congress leaders there. Thanks very much, Gursimran, and also to you, Seenat, for joining us live on this visit by the foreign envoys to Jammu and Kashmir. Moving on now.